loved our short video on this Hainanese chicken rice, and now you want the secrets to the perfect chicken rice and sauces. So today, we're diving deep into the secrets of Hainanese chicken rice. We'll show you exactly how to get it right, every single time. While the rice is essential, the soul of this dish is the unbelievably tender chicken and the two vibrant dipping sauces. The chicken is the star, and we're using bone-in thigh or drumstick for maximum flavor. The secret to that moist, silky texture isn't boiling, but gentle poaching. We'll bring a pot of water to a low simmer, add our chicken. The chicken cooks gently in the low heat for about 20-30 minutes. Let's make the two sauces that make this dish legendary. First, the onion ginger sauce. The key is to finely mince fresh ginger and shallots. Then pour hot oil over them to release all that aroma. The result is a vibrant, fragrant condiment. For the ginger soybean sauce, we'll combine fresh minced ginger and garlic with fermented soybeans and a touch of dark soy sauce. I also add a tablespoon of miso paste. This gives us a deep, savory, and umami-rich flavor that is just incredible. I always spare the chicken fat and put it in the freezer when I fillet the chicken over any menu. The chicken fat will come in handy when I want to make this chicken rice. From this point, it is easier to transfer the rice to the rice cooker and let the rice cooker do the job. But if you don't have one, it is still okay to cook it in the same pot. Now for the final reward. Arrange the perfectly poached chicken over your fragrant rice. A side of cucumber and a spoonful of each incredible sauce are all you need. Every bite is a perfect balance of savory, aromatic, and fresh flavors. This isn't just chicken and rice. It's a symphony of tastes. If you love this detailed recipe, the full recipe is in the description below. please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing dishes. I always upload my new cooking video on this channel. Happy cooking!